Knowing how to pack your boxes is vital when using self-storage. Not only does it make the job easier, but it helps you get the most out of your storage space. Here are our top tips to help you pack more effectively. Plan your packing. Assess your belongings and work out what will be going into storage. It's the perfect time to either throw away or donate to charity anything you don't need anymore. Be prepared. Have everything you need ready to go. This means boxes, packing tape, scissors, labels and black marker pens, as well as bubble wrap or butcher's paper. Pack smart. Don't cram everything into a few large boxes, which are often impossible to lift. Think ahead. What are you going to want quick access to in the future? Store these items towards the front of your storage unit for easy access down the track. Organise your moves so the things you don't need so often go into your storage unit first. And remember to label boxes clearly with what's inside, so you can find things easily. To find out more about our range of storage solutions, give us a call or drop into your nearest Wilson Storage.